Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's a beautiful buttercream foot line marble cake. If you guys want to see how I made this, we'll keep on watching. this cake was a 6-inch cake, so I did my crumb coat, my second coat of buttercream. In between, I pop it in the freezer 5 to 10 minutes. And I did light blue, but you can choose any color that you want. Obviously, I wanted something very subtle. So yeah, so I did my color, and then what I did is that I used this, which is called acetate sheet. So it basically comes in a roll, just like this, and it comes in different heights. Make sure to, well, depending on what you want to do with this, but if it's for cakes, make sure to have the highest, the highest possible. So I just wanted to do a section of the cake. So basically what I did is that you start off with your, in my case, I had white buttercream. So I just wanted one color to pop. So I did my white buttercream, and then I added my white buttercream to my acetate sheet, and I didn't want it to be even. So make sure that if you're going with the look that I'm going, like the uneven look, you want with your spatula to go unevenly. Very, very, very important. And then I just added, using a toothpick and also a brush, some edible gel food coloring, and then just place it like that, and then scraped it off, making sure everything was kind of blended but not totally blended. And then I placed it on my chilled cake. Super important, not room temperature, chilled cake. So once you've placed it onto your cake, you don't remove it. You transfer your cake to your freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes to make sure that the buttercream has set. Once it has done that, then you take your cake, and then you're gonna see you'll be able to peel it off easily. And then you just have that beautiful effect. And then I just finished the look with a beautiful flower, a silk flower that I just put a little bit of buttercream and then just placed my flower there. Again, I say it in all my videos, if you're using silk flowers, wash them. Make sure that you, like, they come from the store. Most of them, you were gonna buy them from the dollar store, from Michael's, and they're dirty. So make sure you wash them with soap, you dry them, and then you're just going to place them onto a cake. Never, never, never place a direct silk flower, the stem, directly into your cake. Most of the time, the stem, there's a metal part. So if you do that, you know, metal and humidity creates what? Rust. You do not want rust into your cake. Super dangerous. You want to make sure that your cake is food safe. So I always remove the top of the flower, the bud if you want, the top with the stem, I remove them, and then I place a little bit of buttercream, and then I just place it like that. If you want to use the stem, I would highly suggest that you can use a straw. Place a straw into your cake, and then you can go ahead and then place that stem into the straw, okay? But never, never directly into your cake, unless it's like a metal that won't rust, or that, you know, it's food quality, but no, don't take that risk. And I finished the top with a beautiful cake topper that comes from my store, so you can go ahead and look at that. Sugarella Sweets Party. The link will be in my description box down below if ever you're interested. And that was it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.